wow, we have got a view coming up here. Well, hey there guys, we headed south since the last time you saw us, from Door County down to the Wisconsin Dells area. The next couple of nights we're going to be staying at Devil's Lake State Park, which is near Baraboo, and we've got some exciting and fun things planned for our time here, don't we?
We do. But before we left Sturgeon Bay this morning in Door County, we had to stop by Reynard's Cheese and get some cheese curds. They're made fresh every day, and if you eat them before they're refrigerated, they squeak when you chew them.
Well, let's give that a shot. See if there's any squeaking. I don't know if you can hear. I don't know if you can hear that or not.
Every bite is a squeak. That's
but
funny.
They do squeak. That's a nice little treat.
Squeaky food.
Right. You can't come to Wisconsin without getting some cheese, and especially cheese curds.
Right.
But we do have some fun things planned, and the first thing we're going to do is take on a few hikes here in Devil's Lake State Park. So let's go get started on that.
Let's go. That is beautiful.
Sliding rock.
You have to slide. This is a moderately strenuous hike with lots of steps.
So our first hike of the day is the East Bluff Trail, which is going to give us great views of Devil's Lake and some few other features to see along the way. It's a 2.6 mile loop.
It does look to be really busy today. This is Wisconsin's most visited park with over 3 million visitors a year.
And we're two of them today. Oh wow, we have got a view coming up here. Just started out on this trail, and there are already so many amazing views.
It's so
right?
gorgeous. The fall colors, the rocks to scramble around on.
The lake view, and there's plenty of places to go just off trail to hang out on the rocks and scramble around. So we left the East Bluff Trail. We are now on the Balanced Rock Trail. We're going to add that in, go see Balanced Rock, then connect up with the Grotto Trail for just a little bit before heading on to Potholes Trail. And that will connect us back to East Bluff Trail again. Where's Balance Rock? We've been to balanced rocks all over the United States, and this balanced rock has something that it shares in common with all the others, and that is it's a rock that's balanced on something else.
But still, pretty awesome.
Aren't you glad it's nice and cool out there?
It doesn't feel cool right now. No need for this sweatshirt.
It's only like upper 40s, right around 50.
Probably right around 50.
And cool breeze.
Right.
But working out. So that was a pretty awesome hike, wasn't it?
Fun.
So much fun scrambling out on the bluffs and some interesting rock features to see along the way, and of course views of Devil's Lake. Really nice hike. We stretched ours into about 4.5 miles.
We did.
By the time we did a couple of the extra loops and little add-ons. I don't know how much climbing we had, but it was quite a bit to get back.
A lot of steps on those rocks.
Yeah, to get back up to the top of the bluff from down water side.
At the very bottom.
It was really nice. While we have bigger plans for dinner tomorrow night, we are also excited about what we're going to be eating tonight.
We are at Mac's Macaroni and Cheese Shop.
Let's
go
go.
check it out. So I got the chicken bacon ranch mac and cheese.
And I got the Memphis Mac. That is amazing. Just look at that cheesiness. So after a fun morning hiking out at Devil's Lake State Park, we have driven to Wisconsin Dells for our big adventure of the day, and that is to take a 2-hour boat tour of the Dells. We've been here several times over the years, but have never taken the boat tour, so we're really excited about getting that in today on this trip. So you're gonna wear that over your ears and head like that?
You better know it. I will not be cold out there.
Right now we are entering, which is Gulch.
This is really cool, isn't it? Pretty amazing spot down here.
Yeah, the Slot Canyon.
Which is Gulch? Which is
Gulch, I think.
Yeah, that's awesome. So we have 2 shore landings on this excursion. This is the first one, which is Gulch. The next one is Stand Rock, which has kind of an interesting thing to it as well.
Jumping across for us.
I think it's just like, that's day. Oh yeah! Oh. That's pretty cool.
That is really cool.
So we wanted to come to a traditional Wisconsin supper club today, and our top choice was Ishnala, but it had a 4-hour wait even though we got there 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So we drove down to House of Embers just before 5 o'clock and got in with immediate seating, although it is quite busy now that we have finished our meal.
Right. So supper clubs are very popular here in Wisconsin, and they are part social club and part restaurant. So people hang out a little longer and take their time, and they're not expected to eat and run like you are in a restaurant.
Yeah, we really enjoyed the experience. It's a beautiful facility. The dining room's really neat. It looks kind of classic.
Yeah, it's been here since the 50s, and a local told us that it's always been the same, and so it's really enjoyable.
Yeah, we really enjoyed the experience. Definitely not the last time we will be hitting a supper club.
Right.
Well, we have had a great time in Wisconsin, haven't we?
We really have.
We got to revisit some places that we've been before and then try some new things.
We did.
With the supper club tonight, and of course the fish boil earlier in the week.
And the boat ride today.
And the boat ride today as well. And that, I guess, is probably one of the things we're most excited about on our 1-year trip that we're going to begin on January 1st. And that is to revisit some familiar places that we've enjoyed in the past, and then take on some new adventures, things that we just haven't tried yet.
Right.
There's a lot more that we could have done in Wisconsin this week, but we've kind of run out of time. That'll leave us for more to do the next time we come through.
Right. But for now, that's it for our mission. What's your mission? It's not going to work.
No. An unexpected treat today.
It was, right. Oh, I forgot what I was doing.
It's not that there's not more stuff that we don't want to do. I sound like an idiot now. Loved every bit of it, on camera. Things, and try some familiar things. That's right. I think my hat really is on crooked now. Well, hey guys, it's Jimmy here. Our mission in every episode of this vlog is to share one of our fun-filled adventures with you guys. But our greater mission in life is to share our hope and happiness with you. One of the ways we do this is by giving away digital copies of my book, which we believe will help you in your own spiritual journey. You can get it at no cost by dropping by thereisgraceforyou.com and then clicking on the download button to read it on your favorite device. There's no list to join, no price to pay. It's just our way of trying to be a blessing to you. There are 40 short daily readings in the book that will take you about a minute each to read. So if you're interested in some positive messages to encourage you in your faith, I hope you'll check it out. No doubt about it. This place rocks.